Trying to purchase a new smartphone may be a daunting task given how many smartphones are now available these days. When looking at smartphones towards 30K, you start to get in the territory of more premium smartphones with much more improved build quality as well as high-end specs and features. What's up guys, Earl here, Tech, and in this video, we will be comparing two smartphones that sits on the 25,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos smartphone mark, and these are none other than the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and the Poco F5 Pro. First up, let's take a quick look on Samsung's offering in this price category, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. This device has been renowned to be a mid-range smartphone that gives a premium smartphone experience. It features the same design language as the more premium Galaxy S23 series. Now, if you're looking to make the most out of your money at this budget, the Poco F5 Pro gives you a pretty great package. Design-wise, it does look somewhat premium and has a little bit more sportier design than that of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So, if you want a chic and premium design, the Galaxy A54 5G is your best bet here. While if you find yourself leaning towards more sportier side, the Poco F5 Pro might be just the right one for you. Now, when it comes to the display and cameras, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It has a camera sensor of 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 5-megapixel macro, as well as 32-megapixel front shooter that all shoots above average photos and videos. While we get a 6.67-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate on the Poco F5 Pro, and it features a 64-megapixel main, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel macro, which won't compare to premium flagships but are completely decent for casual use. Now when it comes to performance, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G packs the Exynos 1380 chipset. Definitely isn't the most powerful at this price, but it is enough for your daily use and some light gaming. While the Poco F5 Pro features a flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with Adreno 730 GPU, giving it more than enough performance for any tasks. Other features of the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, IP67 dust and water resistance, and a 5000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support. While we have 5G, IP53 water and dust resistance, and a slightly bigger 5160 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging and 30-watt wireless charging on the Poco F5 Pro. Of course, we have to consider the prices of these two devices. Let's start off with the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, which is priced at 26,990 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB variant on Shopee and Lazada. And for colors, you have a few choices here as it comes in either graphite, lime, or purple. The Poco F5 Pro, on the other hand, is priced at 26,999 pesos for its 8GB plus 256GB of internal storage configuration and 28,999 pesos for an upgraded 12GB plus 256GB model, which is both available on Shopee and Lazada as well. Both these devices are priced almost head-to-head, and it now really boils down to your preference on which of these devices are for you. Sure, on paper, without a doubt, the Poco F5 Pro outwins the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, but if you are a Samsung fan, this device is a good choice. If you love the aesthetics of the One UI, good camera capabilities, minimalist yet chic design language, or basically you're into Samsung's ecosystem, the Galaxy A54 5G is your best bet here. But if you want to get the most out of your money, the Poco F5 Pro is a solid buy. Not to mention, it is powered by last year's Qualcomm flagship processor, the 8 Plus Gen 1 chip. This device will surely perform every task you throw at it. But how about you guys? Which of these two devices are your pick? Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit yougetit.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Aurel. I'll catch you guys in the next video.